And it's a fight between the two. Cat versus dog. Cat seems very... Oh, he's fighting back. Ooh, he's mad. Oh, he's very chill. What was that noise? Oh. Okay, cat is... Oh, God. Oh, my... Damn, God. Holy crap. Don't mess with the cat. Oh, he's coming back around too. Oh, no. You should learn, bro. You gotta learn. He's like backing off.
Norm.
It gives him one last stare to tell him he's not done.
Good kid. Good boy. Here, go. Get out of here. Go.
And I think that is the fight between cat and dog. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. See you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe. Bye.